Welcome. Today in front of me ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings tab, and here you'll see the sounds and vibration section. Right now we got here the ringtone, notification, alarm, media and call volumes. You can change these volumes just by swapping with your finger these blue dots to the left or to the right side. By the same way, just you can adjust the call and alarm volume. We got here the outdoor modes, so when the complete mute mode. Also we got here the volume key control, so that means that if you can change the volume, ringtone volume to the media volume, and when you just here press your volume buttons, you will change the media volume, and right now we can change the ringtone volume, as can you see. Also we got here our media. We can turn on the don't disturb mode, the priority mode. That's repeat your calls from the priority contacts. Also we can here change the phone ringtone, the alarm sound and notification sound, for example just by tapping here on the alarm sound, and you can select one from these available sounds, and as can we see, we changed successfully our alarm sound. Also we got here the effects section. There's our dial pad tones, for example. Now you will hear the dial pads when you just touch them. The screen locking sound, that's when you will just lock or unlock your screen. You can hear the sounds, the charging sound, the touch sounds. Now as can you hear, we have now the touch sounds, and now when we just enable this option, we can hear when we just touch our screen or open the app, we can hear the touch screen sounds. Also got here the startup sound, so when you will just turn on your device, you'll hear the sound. And also we got here the vibration section, that's we can hear change the settings for your vibration when someone call you, or also the touch vibration when you just tap the screen or open the app, you can feel the touch vibration. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.